Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the assistive ball, the built-in floating home shortcut. Open Settings, then Accessibility, and tap Assistive Ball. Turn it on. Once done, choose its default action as home so a single tap returns you home. Make sure to set opacity and position for visibility without blocking content. This step creates a persistent, draggable button that behaves like a home key. It's fast, requires no app installs, and works across most Color OS versions. Next, customize how the button behaves so it matches your workflow. Tap the assistive ball settings and set the single tap to home, then assign long press to recent apps or back, depending on what you use more. Adjust size and transparency so it's easy to hit but not intrusive. If your Color OS supports auto hide, set a short timer to keep it out of the way. These tweaks optimize reachability and reduce accidental taps while preserving quick access to home. Finish by testing the button across apps, tap home, long press, drag it around. If it vanishes after an update or behaves oddly, reboot the phone first. That often restores system features. If problems persist, reset assistive ball settings or clear the settings app cache to refresh preferences. As a last resort, install the latest official Color OS update because system fixes often resolve interface bugs. One troubleshooting tip: disable battery optimizations for settings if the button stops responding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.